How to have no Bitmoji on Snapchat. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Snapchat, and once you do that, click on the Bitmoji or avatar at the top left. Then click on the settings gear icon at the top right corner of your screen, and here you want to click on Bitmoji. You will land on this page right here, from which you want to click on the text at the bottom that says unlink my Bitmoji, and you will get this confirmation box that asks you, are you sure you want to remove Bitmoji? And it tells you that if you created your avatar on Snapchat, you will permanently lose your avatar and all fashion items saved in my closet. So once you are okay with that, click on remove to confirm. And by doing that, you have just removed your Bitmoji, meaning that you will have no avatar, as you can see right here. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete and remove the Bitmoji or avatar on Snapchat. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.